Morning. It's a beautiful Monday morning. Today I'm giving you a tour of our very first dream home undertaking of Project Sunrise. My name is Wo and welcome to the Kiara House. Our entry. You have double doors there, dressed up with sampaguita glass, colorful break when the sun touches the room. We fondly like to call this place the conservatory because of the clear polycarbonate, solid polycarbonate roofing.
And there's Kuya.
So, wow. It can be your dining al fresco style. We intend to put something here that will climb eventually and make it a green wall. Still thinking of putting a screen door here. But it can be closed off from the rest of the house with these glass doors. So it can be your plantita haven if you decide to put a smaller dining area somewhere else inside the house. This will be a perfect greenhouse. So welcome to the kitchen. The sink area features a built-in dish rack, a drying rack rather. Everything just drips down to the sink. I'm having this here. It's a key cabinet. It's still very flexible. I haven't installed the range wood, the stove, so if the client has any other preference, I could still accommodate whatever they prefer. If it's going to be built into this one, I just make a hole for it. If they prefer something built in, I will be removing this portion here. Or I'll take it out altogether if it's a combination type of stove oven. So let us start. This island, this movable island. Check us out at Furniture Pieces PH Instagram. Supposedly the ref has a screen door at the back. I like it open that way. Because this features a big pantry area. The use of the kitchen really varies from person to person, so there's still room for adjustments in this area of the house. Again, this is the storage / pantry area. Opens up to your receiving area. You can put a couch here, you can even turn it into a bedroom itself. Yeah, the receiving area opens again to the conservatory. You can have a mini dining area here too. I just showed the dining table. So this serves as your back door. So it goes to the 2-car garage and the laundry area. We've also provided outlets for an outlet here for your emergency light. The panel box is here. So yeah, so this naman leads to the bedroom here downstairs. So for these doors, aside from the pretty native materials, cladding it. Put some pretty details. This Flora-inspired carved wooden handles. This is your bedroom one. You can put, I placed a day bed. You can put a pull-out bed here. You can have big bed because the doors open out naman. It's a cozy room. I like the floors, the terracotta floors. This window has a view of the laundry area, which is makalat right now. Pero yan yun. Yeah, I'm selling that one.
The Little Prince?
The Little Prince cabinet. I actually love this room. I want this room. But that's a personal collection.
Is that you?
Yeah, I like to think that it's me. And you have a view of the staircase. This is supposed to be the entertainment area. It's a nice feature. The tao-tao feature that we also placed at the master bathroom. We also placed it here. About the grill work. The houses are contemporary, so I couldn't pull off the Mediterranean style. Made it Mediterranean modern instead, and so that's the inspiration and the rationale for this time grill work. Because of the layout of the lot, it made sense to tag this area with glazing for ventilation and light to come in. So this goes to the ground floor toilets and bath. We have tiled stairs, the stair risers and treads. At the landing, we decided to make it cement flooring. It's finished matte. Aside from the light column that we provided, okay, we also did this railing that opens so that in case you need to bring furniture up and down this place, these things don't get in the way. The first door opens to the second bathroom. First door bathroom, second door master bedroom. Got a walk-in closet. It goes to the balcony, the shared balcony with the other bedroom. We'll show you later. Frosted and louvered door to the bathroom. The master bathroom features a patterned crown molding that we fondly call tao-tao. And that's the master bedroom. Onto the third door. It's your second bedroom / studio / study room. Open above and below, inspired by the old Filipino house ventanillas for maximum ventilation. Right now, it has a standard size single bed. Turn it into a studio because it's a well-lit room. So you can turn this area into a wardrobe, an enclosed one. You can add doors here. And this one opens to the shared bathroom. My favorite spot.